Today is my chin-up day. I found a new spot to work out. This is a basketball court right in the middle of the town. Have a look. I'm just doing this to show that you can get a really good training session absolutely anywhere. Your creativity is the limit. Have a look here. This is where I'm going to do it. There's no need to be limited by gyms, by your own home. Just use your creativity. Find a cool spot to work out. A basketball court, a soccer net, maybe a gazebo where you could hang on at the top. You can do this anywhere. Just enjoy yourself, have some fun. Get a good outdoor session anywhere, anytime. Peace.